That is wild. Check that out. Tom gave me 3 gauges to try to hook up to this, and hopefully we can get one to work. One of the gauges is inked out where the fuel level is. One of the gauges has kind of got like a brownout situation where you can still see it, but it's on its way out. And then one is mint. So we got 3 levels of used gauges here. It's not good. 205. The battery should tell you. It should be 385 and it says 205. I mean, I don't ever want a half crappy battery in my jet ski, but especially when you're trying to do the computer programming, because if you run out of juice, you know, you could run into trouble. It could brick your ECM. I haven't had it happen, but I'm not looking to test it either, you know what I mean? So I've noticed on the newer ones, the ones that require buds 2, they won't even let you hook up to the computer if it's got a low voltage alarm. It won't even do it. So we'll use the booster pack and it should be fine. Should be. Didn't leave me the key, but I'm pretty sure I've already got one programmed. Make sure there's oil in it. Oh yeah, oil's good. First try. We got. That is loud. Oh, I forgot. This is one of the old ones that beeps at you if you leave the key on. Shush. Shush your face. So it's running. It is giving me alarms. That gauge is totally trashed. I haven't seen one like that. That's pretty interesting. So the diagnostic port is always right near the battery. In this one, it's located in the front hatch. So it's located right there. Getting this bezel off without breaking the plastic can be an absolute bitch, especially when you got an older machine like this. So this bezel is clipped on to the gauge itself, and to get that off, you want to get behind the tab and just kind of pull it, and then you can get this to pop off. And then you got 2 little screws, that comes off. It's pretty easy, but see, this one's already broken, you can see. Most of the time when people try to take these off, they break all these clips. And it's easy to do because it is old plastic we're dealing with. So if you break it, it's not your fault. I think this top thing just pops off. I don't exactly know how. I'm seeing a tab. I don't know if it feels like the gauge is holding the tab. What the fudge? Definitely get this off first. Duly noted. Ah, I had it. So that should be out of the way, which should allow me to pop this thing off, right? I just don't have anything skinny enough. Ooh. Either I popped it or it broke. Yes. Yes. Anytime you're dealing with this plastic is like a really good chance it's just gonna break on you. But I think we got lucky. Yeah, look at that. Didn't break. Okay. Yes. It's the small victories. Okay, so definitely take this off first. That'll make your life a lot easier. This is how the pros do it. They just make it up, man. Who needs the instructions, right? It's like putting together IKEA furniture, sort of. Can't even get the clip off. Oh, there we go. Rotate. Ugh. Get ready for that annoying beeping. Shut up. Model number do not match with the ECM. Cluster security coding does not match. Module security coding. All right, 23665355. Learn. All right, I mean, it should be good. What the hell? Won't even start. What's going on here? Let's clear this shit. So the gauge worked. It wouldn't start though. And we know it started with the other gauge. Now we wait for it to shut down. Now we go back in. I got no lights flashing. It says 553 hours on it though. Oh, that's so obnoxiously loud. Now we got the one that's got a little bit of bleed here. And then we got one more that's like a good one, right? Right data. Document was successfully written to the cluster. So all the gauges work. And we got different variations of condition. Read data. Sometimes this part is kind of boring. We're just sitting around listening to this annoying beep, waiting for the computer. So I get paid the big bucks. The big bucks. The voltage is good, so it is charging. Definitely needs a battery. While we're in here, do a drop test. Drop test sounds good. Actually sounds good. Oh, it's way happier after that throttle reset. And stop. Way happier after that throttle reset. All right, now shush. Yeah, wrong way.